Hi students, in this class I am going to tell you a mathematical 2D shapes calendar. For this mathematical 2D shapes calendar preparation. Yes. For this take thin sheets like this, some colors. Yes. Okay. Cut these thin sheets into 2D shapes. First one is equilateral triangle. First one is equilateral triangle. All the three sides are equal. And second one is isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal. Third one is different. And this is scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. All the three sides are different. All the three sides are different in lengths. This is right angle triangle. What is a right angle triangle? One angle is 90 degrees. Right angle is one angle is 90 degrees. And take another shape. Square. What is a square? All the four sides are equal and diagonals are also equal. And next one is rectangle. Next one is rectangle. Rectangle means opposite sides. These opposite sides and this pair. Opposite sides are equal and diagonals also equal. Take another one. Rhombus. All sides are equal. All the four sides are equal, but diagonals not equal. Diagonals not equal. And next one, parallelogram. Parallelogram is opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite sides are, these sides are equal, these sides are equal. These opposite sides are parallel and equal. But the diagonals not equal. Diagonals not equal. Next one. This one is trapezium. In trapezium, one pair of lines, opposite lines are parallel. Here, these opposite sides are parallel. Next, kite. See, this is a kite. Adjacent sides are equal. This pair is equal and this pair is also equal. Adjacent sides are equal. Yes. This is one pair and another pair is this one. Here, this is a circle. This is a circle. Yes. And this one is half of the circle. Half of the circle. This is called semicircle. Yes. Now we are ready to prepare calendar. Take a white paper and split into some short papers like this and write the calendar 2021 or 2022 on all the mathematical shapes. Okay, see like this. Yes, and write the month and write the name of the shape here. Yes, this is kite, so write here kite, and this is the March month calendar. Okay, and see, this is isosceles triangle and this is the April month calendar. Okay, now take an old book sheet. Yes, like this, and write here mathematics 2D shapes calendar. And here with punching machine make holes on all the shapes. Okay, now take a ring and take all the shapes clearly. This one is April, this one March, and set them in an order. So set in an order these calendars and take a ring and put it in an order. See, put it in order. June, July and August, September, October, November and December. Yes. Now take the old book sheet and write like this: Mathematics 2D Shapes Calendar 2022 and hole with a punching machine, and put the pin here, and now set it like this. Yes. Now take a flower just for small decoration. Yes. Yes. Now if you don't have a ring, see friends, take a ribbon like this. Yes. See, if you don't have a ring like this, yes, take a thread like this and knot it, put in the holes and then knot it. Now see, this is the January 2022 calendar. Yes, and turn it, and next February, and then March. You can turn like this. Yes, whatever month you want. See how beautiful calendar it's. Okay, you can also try this one calendar. Yes, this such type of calendars are so beautiful and make the students to learn the shapes of mathematics, 2D shapes of mathematics. Yes.